Are you worried because you have run out of options for earning money online? If so, then this entire video is for you. You can have a glimpse of ideas on what are the best strategies to use to have income during this time. Before we get started, let me ask you a question. Do you enjoy making articles online? Yes? Then I will show exactly how to get money with your skills. And if not, I will share with you an idea on how to write an article with a small amount of effort and with no prior experience. In this website that I will introduce, it doesn't involve affiliate marketing, selling goods, and leaving engagements on social media. All you have to do is copy and paste. So stay tuned and get to know this. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything and how you can earn quick money online. Now, just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. So let's get started right now so that I can show you how to use Google to get paid repeatedly. So it will take you less than 30 minutes to do everything. I will show you how to choose other payment choices if PayPal isn't available in your area or if you don't want to use PayPal. So if you don't want to use PayPal, you can choose from a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, Pioneer, and so on. Let's get started with step 1. I want you to go to google.com. Step 2 is search for Google News. Then once you reach for Google News, I want you to open it on the first official website, news.google.com. This is a site where you can discover the most recent news and articles on a variety of topics from around the world. It is similar to a newspaper in that you can find anything on it. Politics, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and anything else that comes to mind. It can be found on this website. Now, how will this make you money? How do you get your free PayPal money? Well, stay tuned and you will see exactly how it works. So, on the left-hand side, you have all the categories. You're up to date on global events. This is about what is going on in the world right now. You also have your own local news, which we will not discuss. You simply want to concentrate on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and most importantly, health. You can see, for example, that if I select the health category, I'll get all the latest health news and articles. So let's scroll and see if we can find something interesting here. So I'm amused by this article, which was published. And it's a really good article that a lot of people will want to read. So all you have to do is open one article. Don't worry, you don't have to write any articles, and you won't have to sell anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or any other type of marketing. All you really need to do is open the article and begin copying text from that specific article. For example, I'll copy this right here and move on to step 3, which will take us to the third website we'll be using, Spinbot.com. You'll need to copy and paste the article from Google News here. Spinbot will rewrite the article for you so that you can have the entire article in your own words, making it completely unique. You will use those articles on 3 more websites, which I will share with you. Those websites will pay you for your articles. Some of them will literally pay you $1 per word. As you can see, those articles can have thousands of words, so you can earn over 1,000. Anyway, once you've found the article, simply copy and paste it into this box. Then scroll down a little, then click I am not a robot, and finally click Go. That will rewrite the entire article for you. As you can see, the context is similar, but the words are different. It uses synonyms and rewrites it in your own words. So you can copy that unique and read an article, and you can use the next 3 websites to get paid for these articles. Before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now it's time to get back to work and continue making money. The first website we will use is EatingWell.com. So you can submit your own articles to this website. You can write articles for this website and get paid for it. Instead of doing all the hard work of writing those articles for days, you can simply use Google News, which has been bought to create unique and highly quality articles. And they will pay you up to $1 per word. So this is the first website, and I have 2 more for you. So just on this website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means that if you get an article with 1,000 words, you can get paid up to $1,000 just for the article. And it only took me about 30 minutes of copy-pasting. Now, how do you actually submit your article so that you can be paid? You will only need to scroll down a little bit on this page until you find the section where you can find their contact information. So you can simply copy their email address, go to your email and send them an email with the subject line, submission or article submission, or something along those lines, and attach a file containing your own article that you created. When you send that email, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask for your payment details. You will inform them if you wish to be paid via PayPal. You'll tell them my PayPal and email address are, then enter your PayPal information as well as your email address. If you want to be paid by bank transfer, simply leave your bank information. The same goes for the other payment options. Because new articles in Google News show up every couple of hours, your options are limitless. So you can use those articles, rewrite them with Spinbot, copy and paste them into a Word document, or save them on your computer, and then submit them to these websites. So once again, EatingWell.com is the first place you can submit your articles. Articles can also be submitted to sierraclub.org. To submit your article to this website, simply follow the instructions given here. You simply need to contact them via email at this address. So please copy this and paste it into your email with your contact information and subject line. Simply type in a submission and submit your article. You will not only be able to submit health and fitness articles to sierraclub.org, as you did with EatingWell, but you will also need to find something related to technology or science. So open up an article in the science category, copy the text, and paste it into the Spinbot. Let them rewrite for you. And send it over to sierraclub.org's email address. Daily.jstore.org is the third and final website where you can submit your articles. You can read more about how it works by visiting their submission guidelines. This website will pay you slightly less, but it's still a good one to use because you can earn some extra money and maximize your results with this strategy. The great thing about this website is that you will only be asked for up to 2,000 words and will be paid around 31 cents per word. So, it is not as high as the previous 2 websites, but it's still decent at 31 cents. On average, 31 cents a word is not bad because it adds up quickly. The more articles you submit to these websites, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every single article will be accepted. But even if you only get 1 per day, that's still hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a day just by copying and pasting. It was all free, and you don't have to wait. You can start using this strategy right away. Now, let's recap this once more. You must go to Google News, select a category from left-hand side, select an article that you like, open an article, copy its text, use Spinbot to make it unique, and submit it. You can do this indefinitely and earn a decent amount of money. And that's it! I hope you get value and an idea on how to maximize your online earnings. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know the easiest methods in making money online.